We also have with us today,
Cooper.
Welcome to another episode of Cloverbud Creators. Today we're going to be starting a new series using toilet paper rolls. So start saving your toilet paper rolls for the next couple weeks. We're going to be using these for our crafts. Lily, what are we going to make today?
Bird feeders.
So this was a simple craft that was shared with us from our friends in Grant Cloverbuds, and we thought it was so great that we would share it with all of you today. So shout out to the Grant Cloverbuds. Thanks for sharing this craft with us. It's very easy. So the first thing you're going to need is your toilet paper roll. You're also going to need
Bird seeds. Knives. Peanut butter. Yarn and scissors, and your little brother. Not me.
Yeah, we're going to use you too. So first step is we're going to take our roll and we're just going to cut a long piece of yarn. And we're going to stick it through the roll like this. And tie a loop so that we can hang it on a tree or a bush. Okay, step 2 is spreading peanut butter all over your roll. So we're just going to take some peanut butter and spread it on there.
I'm hungry for peanut butter now. So we are done with our rolls. Next, you're just going to take it and roll it right in the bird seed. Just like so.
Now we have our bird feeder made. And here, Coop, hold this string. We're going to walk it out to the tree and we're going to hang it up. Hold on to it. Let's go.
So we hung up our bird feeders. Now we get to watch for the birds to eat.
And that was our simple bird feeder craft on today's episode of Cloverbud Creators.
Save your toilet paper rolls. Bye.